This video is sponsored by Quail Feather Notary Services, offering virtual notary and signing agent services across the globe. To add assets in MyGeotab, come over here to Assets, Add a new asset. Clicking this button or using the Add Single Asset option here does the exact same thing. Now we'll add the asset's name, which can be an actual name or a truck, trailer, or equipment number. And then if you have a serial number, you can add it in here, scan the device for a quick number import, or you can skip this to add an untracked asset, which we're going to do for this example. You'll need to select an asset type group from this drop-down menu, and then you can add the asset to any groups you'd like, or leave this blank to assign the asset to the company group. Once you're finished, click Save New Asset, confirm that this is going to be an untracked asset, and then we'll be on the Asset Edit page where we can add extra details. Once we're done here, we can click Save, and then we can see that our asset is now listed with the others.